Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can become a carrot on Dress to Impress. So color yourself orange, and then I'm going to get these gloves here. I'm not also going to color them this orange. And then I'm going to get this fur set, and then I'm going to color that orange, well, just a coat. And then I will go to VIP. It's not really necessary. You can layer other skirts, but I need this one. And then I will also need this one here. Color that orange too, and I'm going to add this one too, I think, with the second toggle on. Then I'm going to go to the codes here, well, to the changing rooms. And I'm also going to add this on top, like this kind of skirt. As well as this one. I don't know which one looks better. Time will tell. Then we're going to get this dress. Hopefully you have it. Turn off the scales and turn on matte. Color the first one orange and the second one green. Let me just recolor something first. There we go. Like that. And we're also going to select the apple, color it orange as well, and toggle it to rotten to the core. Then you're going to use the Possession Halloween Post Pack. And that's it. You have kind of like a carrot on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.